So if you're not sure what your kids want for Christmas, use this idea to find out and also create some pre-Christmas excitement. Okay, so this is an extremely simple idea and you only need minimal material to make this work and you can use a lot of creativity and that's all up to you. So first thing I did is I took a box. You can use any box you've got, whether it be a shoe box or any box you can find. This I can't even remember what this box was for, but I painted it white or a bit off white to give it a Christmas snowy effect. You can use whatever color you please there. Painted it white all round, except for the bottom. I didn't paint the bottom, but that doesn't really matter. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slot into it, like a mail slot, since this is obviously what it's going to be. It's going to be a mailbox for Santa. So let's just use a little sharp knife and cut the slot in here. Be careful of cutting with a sharp knife like this. Obviously, this is not really meant for small children to do. This is more for the adults to find out what the children want. So let's quickly cut this. Not really hard at all. You can always obviously cut the slot before you paint the box, which would probably give it a bit more of a rounded edge, but that's not too important at the moment. Like you can see, a small little slot there, quite easy, not hard at all. So next thing we're going to do is, what I have done is, you can obviously write on this if you want to, but I figured since this box may be used for several purposes throughout the year, I'm not going to write on the box itself. But what I am going to do is I just printed some signage or some words, colored it in. You can use any method you want. Once again, you can write on the box. You can use different pictures or whatever. This is just for the idea to show you what I've done. On the front here, I've made this little sign that says Santa's Mail, which is quite nice. What I'm then going to do, I'm just going to put something on the side as well. Just a little bit of a decoration. Once again, you can use your own creativity as far as you please. And I'll put something on the other side as well. We'll put a little Christmas decoration there as well. You can go bigger, smaller. You can use live decorations, in other words, like Christmas lights, anything of the sort. And for when we're going to put this mailbox up, I've got a little bit something extra. One of my previous projects, like this little tag. I'm going to put a little Christmas gift decoration on that as well. And that is basically the mailbox made up. Now, obviously, you can decorate this more if you want to. You can put stuff on top. You can make it look like a little house if you want to. The possibilities are endless. So let me show you how I'm going to display this for the children to put something in there. And there might be one or two little tricks from my previous projects that I'll add to this. Okay, so the way I'm going to set up this little mailbox is I'm using one of my previous projects. This is like the braai or BBQ stand that I've built for your spices and so on. At the back, I'm just going to use 2 pieces of wood for a spacer in this instance, but you can use anything you want. This is just a very good idea on my behalf. I thereafter put on my little mailbox that we've made on top with the little decorations and so on that we've got. Very nice. So I'm going to put that on top. Very simple. Now, in order to decorate this a bit, there's quite a few things you can do. Obviously, you can use some extra Christmas decorations. Let's just put something on here. Give it a little bit of the festive spirit or so forth. You can do anything you want. This is just an example. And maybe even at the bottom, you can maybe put a ribbon or two, or you can wrap it like a barber pole if you want to in red ribbon or something similar, whichever you please. This is just for example's sake. And then also the little tag that we've made, also one of my previous projects, I'm going to hang this on here to show that this is like for gifts and so on. And then another nice idea is, obviously they're going to have to put the notes or letters inside of the mailbox. So I'm using this little red notebook. I've got a red pencil as well to give the whole Christmas spirit. Put this in here maybe so that they can write a note if they can. Otherwise, draw a picture of the gift that they want. And then obviously post it in here or mail it in here. And you at night or whenever can come, you can look at it. They can put their names there, or you would obviously know which child wrote what or drew what. You'd have a good idea. But this is a lovely idea. It will get the children sort of excited before Christmas. You'll have a better idea of what they would like for Christmas. And you can work around that. So I think this is a very nice idea for the kids before Christmas. So if you do like this idea, be sure to like this video. If you would like to see the videos on how I made these extra, the stand and the tag and so on, I'll link them in the description below. So until next time, enjoy this, enjoy Christmas. Until next time, guys, goodbye.